What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is Jared, aka the Rogue Vet, here bringing you another one. So we're going to this little car meet. It's a Sunday afternoon. Never been to it. It's on the far north side of San Antonio, and we're just gonna go check it out. So haven't made a video in about almost 2 weeks again, so haven't just been wanting to do that. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, guys, if you do enjoy the content on the channel. I do appreciate y'all commenting and, you know, just doing everything on my social media, TikTok, Instagram, and here. So continue subscribing, continue following. I do appreciate that. Let's get the followers up, and let's just go check it out. Oh, boys, check it out. So we're on the way. We got a Tesla Cybertruck, black. Hopefully you can see that. Look at that. Look at that microwave on wheels, that fridge on wheels. I mean, I like the color, that's pretty cool. Alright guys, so we're here. Sorry about the noise, we're right next to the highway. So you're probably gonna hear a bunch of highway noise. So cars passing and whatnot. But here's our boy Charlie, his whip. He's got that red tint, red guts. You can kind of see how it basically, the tint inside makes the inside turn red when it's closed completely. There's a good shot. Oh look, there's a Cybertruck right there. Another one. Second one of the video, guys. Second one of the video. And we got Keen's car right here. And then Sandy. And then me. Oh, we found Ivan's car right here. Alright guys, we got some really nice GTRs over here. Apparently both these I think are making like 1,000 or something like that. But pretty nice, pretty nice. Got a nice Supra. That's a nice McLaren, man. That is really nice. It's got a nice new and old Acura NSX. Again guys, sorry for the music. I don't want to get copyright, so I may have to cut a lot of these real quick here, but nice cars all right there. The Lotus Evora GT, Nissan GTR, older school. Couple more Cybertrucks like the black one we saw coming up over here. I think that one's different because this one's like shiny or paint. The other one was flat. Super nice Porsche right there. And the Beamers, the new Beamers. M Series. Got that light cut out for that air to go into. That's nice. All gutted. Look at that turbo setup. Nice little meetup. They got the music, they got some cars. It's a nice little meetup for a Sunday afternoon. Supra. Older M3, I think is what it is. Yeah, older M3. Super sick Ferrari, guys. Northeast Customs 1 is the Instagram tag on the car. Trying to figure out where to park. I guess he's gonna back in. But he's right next to the Supra, the 6 Supra. Oh man, you got a nice S2000 right there. It's got the huge, oh man, oh man, oh man. Wow, that thing sounds sick. Got the high ram. Dang, man, boosted. I'm sure that thing's quick. Got the VMS racing wheels also. Alright, I just want to get another close-up shot of this insane car here. There's his Insta if you want to follow him. A couple of our people have moved. There's Jay's. It wasn't in the beginning, but you saw Charlie's already. Got a little Fox body Cobra Mustang. I see a dog way over there. We got the keys to the whip. She want me to move it, so we gonna move it. Oh, it's hot. Oh boys, we just rode in the Z06 right there, and it was fun, and I can't wait till I get mine. I don't know, y'all can't wait either. So, thanks for being patient with me. So, but nice little meetup. I like it. I like it. It's very nice. I never met him either.
Run this. I hurt your feelings. You better not.
Yeah, he's like low 60s. It's good.
Dang! Dang, that chrome looks good.
So E85.
There's another guy who's in our group, Ryan. He's in LSC as well. So we got the LSC lineup here. Coming and going, coming and going. All right, guys, so that was pretty much the video. It's getting a little hot, and I'm heading back home. So hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. And till the next video, guys, this is the Rogue Vet out, aka Jared. Peace.